That statement may not be true in all the cases. Why? Let's take an example. Let's say there is a current asset of 100 million and current liability of 50 million. Now, if I calculate current ratio, it's going to be 100 by 50 and the ratio will be comfortable at 2:1. But let's say the demand has arisen for this 50 million and it got to be settled immediately. Now, for settling this 50 million, if I look upon the current asset, I have 100 million twice, fine. But let's say out of this 100 million, 75 million is in the form of inventory. It means the leftover current asset is 100 minus 75 and it is only 25. So do you think with this 25 I will be able to settle 50? Answer is no. Of course, the 75 inventory can be converted into cash when it goes through the normal trade process, but it can take time. But the demand for the current liability is immediate. So, since because a unit is having a comfortable current ratio of 2:1, it does not mean that it has really high liquidity position. The liquidity is decided based on the components of current asset as well. That's why in addition to current ratio, we also analyze something known as quick ratio.